Welcome to the Frinx Open Daily distribution. This video is a short demo of the extension Frinx has made to Open Daily Elasticsearch functionality. Now, Open Daily already provides functionality for querying log data with Elasticsearch, which is an open source technology allowing very flexible and fast full text searching of data for meaningful analysis. So what Frinx has done is to extend the use of Elasticsearch within our Frinx Open Daily distribution, thus making it possible to connect to the Open Daily time series data store and to interrogate that data store for a variety of network statistics. So this is a brief demo to show how we can access such data and view it visually. So in a terminal, I've started the standard Frinx Open Daily distribution. And on top of that, I've installed a number of additional features, namely OpenFlow and the L2 switch plugin, because I'm going to be using those with Mininet to simulate the network. And for collecting network stats into the time series data store, I've installed the ODL TSDR OpenFlow statistics collector. Finally, to send these statistics to Elasticsearch for indexing and querying, I've installed the Frinx ODL TSDR Elasticsearch feature. So in another terminal window, I've started Mininet just using a standard setup with one switch and three hosts. So if we look, first of all, in the Open Daily Deluxe window, in the topology visualizer, we can currently only see the OpenFlow switch. But if I run a ping all in Mininet, it should kickstart topology discovery. So if we go back to the topology visualizer and reload, we now see the hosts connected to the switch. And now, because I've installed the Open Daylight Time Series data store feature to my Frinx distribution, this network data that we've just simulated with the ping all is now being stored into the time series data store, which is Open Daylight functionality. But because I've also installed the Frinx TSDR Elasticsearch feature, the data stored within the time series data store is now also being sent to Elasticsearch, which I'm running from a Docker container. I'm also running an additional Docker container for Kibana, which is a third-party visualization tool, which allows us to easily analyze our Elasticsearch data graphically. So this one runs in a web browser and connects to our Elasticsearch instance. So if I go to Kibana, I can see here that it's parsed various fields from our Elasticsearch data, and I'm able to pull out statistics for these fields for graphical or tabular analysis. For example, I can add metric name, metric value, and a timestamp. So I can see that I've got various metrics here: receive errors, transmit drops, receive packets. And in the search space, I can enter a Elasticsearch type query, for example, to pull out data on received bytes. So I'll just enter metric name, and these are previous queries that I've saved. So here we have received bytes. This pulls out the data, which I can then visualize and create a graph for. So I'll select a line chart, and here's a previous saved search. Okay, nothing saved, so start a new search, and again I just enter metric name, received bytes, and then I just need to set the y-axis and x-axis. So I'll set the y-axis to a sum of all the received bytes, and I'll set the x-axis to a date histogram. So we now get a chart showing all the bytes received for our OpenFlow switch, and this will update if I send additional traffic through Mininet. Okay, so we can see the new data in the right hand side of the chart. Now, what I can then do is to save this visualization, and then I can set up a dashboard and load a visualization. So here's my received bytes. So I can populate the dashboard with a number of different visualizations to interrogate different aspects of network data, and I can change the time frame so that, for example, let's collect everything stored within the last 30 minutes and set auto refresh to pick up data every 30 seconds. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back in the next few weeks with more of these demonstrations.